Hi everyone, I'm Lightling, creator, handmaker, and doll collector, and I'm very, extremely excited about this box. Without further delays, let's release her out of her box. Here is you be seen with smart doll carry bag. That's super awesome. I wanted this bag for my collection badly. Here is Legion Pear. Let's start with accessories. Alright, here's her wick marble. I was also very interested in it, and I can see through its package that it's not turnover style. Sad. I asked for milk rings and I got them. Stand as always. And can wait. And as always, the most exciting moment is of course the doll herself. Here she goes. This is Legion in tea. Let me put on her wig and I will come back. Her wig is simply beautiful. A lot of hair colors in it. Beautiful. Alrighty, I wanted to share a few words about this girl with you. This Legion was one of my mini-me candidates. My friend who thinks that Legion looks like me voted for this girl, but the rest of my family and my friends voted for Marvel. She has much darker skin tone than I do, and this variation of Legion was only in tea, so there wasn't much options for me. Also, she wasn't even on my wish list because she's Legion and I already have Legion. So who watches me for a while knows that I try to avoid duplications in my collection, but I love Legion so much that it's simply unavoidable. I like her in every skin tone, in every variation, I think, and it was really unavoidable. I fell in love with her with first sight because she has light brown hair, she has these gray eyes. As you can see, her eye color differs from standard Legion, and they remind me my personal eye color. Also, Legion has black face up, and it fits me better. But it's Legion after all. Well, she's gorgeous girl. I don't have other dolls in tea right now, so it was quite a nice choice. Also, Pear Girls was discounted already twice, and she had a very juicy price. And also they informed that from 1st October, DHL will rise up its fees for delivery. Also, she appeared not very popular because 3 girls in this variation was available for about a year, as if she was waiting for me to pick her up. For those who follow my story, you have to notice that when I tried Legion with this wig, I noticed myself that I really look like Legion, and you can see for yourself. Here is they are in comparison to each other. Marvel and Legion Pear. I would say it was fate to have her in my collection after all, and I simply couldn't resist in having her. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for new updates, and bye!